In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, what you want to do first is open a Prizepicks app and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do is tap onto the three lines in the top left-hand corner to open up a menu. And what you want to do is choose the withdraw funds option and then go ahead and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Next, what you want to do is provide the recipient details, so whether that's the bank account, PayPal, or of course your Cash App account details, and confirm the amount. Then make sure to review the details and confirm the withdrawal. What's going to happen is you'll receive a one-time password code by email for verification, and once you've done that, the funds will be transferred to your Cash App account. So that's how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.